and welcome to Cooking with Laguna. Today we'll be making cupcakes. This is what you'll need. You'll need sugar, flour, milk, water, cocoa powder, a big mixer, a big mixing bowl that comes with the mixer, another big bowl or a medium-sized bowl, and a cupcake tin. So let's get started. First we'll be mixing our dry ingredients into this bowl. So we'll take the cocoa powder, it's not coming out of the bowl, so I'll be right back. You'll need flour, and you'll need your sugar. So now you take that spoon and you mix all those things up. It'll just look like brownish powder. Now we set that off to the side. And now we'll take our large mixing bowl and we'll fill it with the wet ingredients like the water and the milk. And now we'll put all those empty containers down there. Now we'll take this big mixer and we'll place it in here. And we'll put that down, we'll start mixing it up. Now after we get all that mixed up, now we take off the bowl and we put in our dry ingredients. Make sure you get all your dry ingredients out. Oops. You don't want bowl in it. So take that out of our batter. Now we slip this back in here and we mix it. Alright, and after that's done, you take out your bowl, you start pouring your batter into the tins. And after you fill your last tin, now you put it in the oven. Bake it on a 550-degree oven. And now you start cleaning up. Now here are our beautiful cupcakes. Chocolate vanilla iced cupcakes with a red cherry on top. I hope you try these. See you next time, guys. Bye.